Dear children, today we will learn the inspiring story of Prophet Ayub alayhi salam, the prophet who showed great patience and trust in Allah during very difficult times. Allah had blessed Prophet Ayub alayhi salam with many beautiful things. He had a loving family, healthy animals, green farms, and a peaceful life. Prophet Ayub alayhi salam was very thankful to Allah and always helped poor and needy people. He worshipped Allah sincerely and remained kind to everyone around him. But one day, a series of difficult tests began. Prophet Ayub alayhi salam slowly lost his wealth, his animals, and many of the blessings he once had. His farms became dry and hardships surrounded him. Soon, he also became very sick and weak. Many people stopped visiting him, and he became lonely. But even in those painful moments, Prophet Ayub alayhi salam never complained against Allah. Instead, Prophet Ayub alayhi salam remained patient and continued praying to Allah with complete faith. He trusted that Allah's wisdom is always perfect. Every day he remembered Allah and stayed thankful, even during suffering. After many years of patience, Prophet Ayub alayhi salam made a heartfelt dua to Allah. Allah accepted his prayer and commanded him to strike the ground with his foot. Suddenly, a beautiful spring of clean water appeared from the earth. Prophet Ayub alayhi salam washed with the blessed water, and by the mercy of Allah, his illness disappeared. Soon, Allah returned his health, blessings, family happiness, and wealth. The dry land became green again, and peace returned to his life. Prophet Ayub alayhi salam continued thanking Allah and remained humble throughout his life. Dear children, this beautiful story teaches us that no matter how difficult life becomes, we should never lose hope in Allah. Patience, faith, and trust in Allah always bring relief and blessings in the end. Do you want to hear the next prophet story? Then comment below, like, share, and subscribe for more beautiful Islamic stories.
For more educational videos and stories, subscribe our channel and follow the Facebook page.